Hi guys! Join me in the kitchen today as I show you how to make a delightful, light, and spongy fruit tea time cake. It's made using canned fruit, which you probably already have in your pantry, and other pantry staples. Can't wait to show you how I made this cake, so let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and grease a 9-inch springform pan. Make sure to grease the sides too. I'm also placing a piece of parchment paper to the bottom of the pan. The parchment paper will make it easy in removing the cake from the bottom of the pan. Place the pan to the side. You will need a 15-ounce can of extra cherry fruit mix. Drain well and coarsely dice and place in a small bowl. Place to the side. In a medium bowl, sift 1 cup of flour. Using 1 tablespoon of the sifted flour, toss the fruit with the flour and set aside. Then sift half a cup of flour with 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. Set aside. In a large bowl, beat together 1 1/3 sticks of room temperature butter. That is 1 stick and 3 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Beat at medium speed until light and fluffy. Scrape the bowl when the butter begins sticking to the sides of the bowl. A good way to take some of the mixture off the beaters is to turn it on while still in the bowl and let the mixture fly off the beaters. Now for the eggs. You will need 3 eggs. Add 1 egg at a time, beating well after each addition. I like to slightly beat each egg in a separate small bowl before adding it to the mixture. Remember to scrape the bowl after beating each egg. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon vanilla extract, and 1½ teaspoons of lemon extract, and mix well. Scrape the bowl and add the sifted flour with the baking powder. Mix well until combined. Make sure to scrape the bowl as you go along. Add the fruit and fold it into the mixture. I am placing the springform pan onto a pizza pan in case of any spillage. Spoon batter into the prepared pan and using a spatula or spoon, smooth the top. I love the look of the fruit speckled into the batter. Now bake the cake for 45 to 50 minutes and until golden brown. Let's check for doneness. A toothpick inserted in the center should come out clean. Place the cake onto a wire rack and let it cool for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's remove the sides of the pan. Turn it over. Take off the bottom part of the pan and peel off the parchment paper. Then place top side up again onto the wire rack until the cake is completely cooled. After it's completely cooled, dust with confectioner's sugar. I think it looks so pretty with the confectioner's sugar. What do you think? This cake is moist, spongy, and airy. Just to think that a simple can of fruit can turn this delightful cake into a comforting tea time treat. Hope you give this fruit tea time cake a try. You are going to love it. Oh, and you'll find the ingredient list at the end of this video. Stay kind and positive. See ya next time. Love ya. Bye.